Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and I am from webhub.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 28 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully fetched all the category names. Here when someone hover on this category text, then it's display all the categories. So now in this tutorial we create one page for when someone click on this electronic or crockery or wall clocks category, then is display all the products related to this category. So how can we do that? We are going to our function.php. Look at here, we previously create this function. So here we give the link like cat underscore detail.php, and here we create one get like cat underscore id equal to double quotes, then concatenate operators. Then here we target this variable here $row. Then here we need to insert a database field name for our cat id. So our database field name is, let's check, cat id. Look at here, cat id. So we need to target here cat id. Okay, so now when I coming here and refresh it again, okay, just observe here when I hover on here. Okay, look at here, cat id equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 and then 10. Okay, so now we simply create a one page like okay, let's copy this one from here by Ctrl C and press Ctrl N for new file. Select PHP, Ctrl A, backspace for remove it, Ctrl V for paste it, Ctrl S for save. Okay, so where we will save this file? We will save this file after this pro.php. So say cat detail.php. Okay, when I save it, so in this page, okay, just simply refresh and check what happened when we click on here. When I click on electronics, okay, not found. Why it's not found? Let's check function.php pro detail. Okay, we make a mistake here, detail.php. Now again I'm going to refresh it again. When I click on here, okay, look at this now. Observe here cat.php and category id equal to 2. Okay, so same way when I click on wall clocks, so again look at here, cat id equal to 4. So which may, and also look at here cat detail.php is coming. So now in this cat detail.php we don't need this slider, so we need to display none this slider. So how can we do that? We are simply going to our body left, just because our slider is in body left. Okay, so here I simply write one PHP script like PHP open close, and here if is set $_get, which is created by us in previous cat id. If this get is set, then don't display this id pro slider. Okay, I'm closing this condition here. Okay, and here we need to add explanation sign, which means if this get is not set, then display this slider div, but if is set this get, then not display this id. So when I refresh it again, okay, look at this now. our slider is gone now. When I come back to our home page, slider is coming. When I click on here, so slider is not coming. Okay, so now here we need to cut this. We don't need this all. We simply close UL here, and inside UL we make some script. So we are coming on function.php here, and here I create a one function, give the name like cat detail. Okay, curly bracket open close. Here I include a database connection file, so it is inside inc then slash db.php. okay, now I'm coming on here, just here I'm coming here, and simply copy this one from here just because we need it there. So I'm going to copy this one from here. Okay, so now I am create a one query. First of all, we need to create one get for cat id equal to $_get. Then yeah, our get name is cat id, just because we need that get. Oh, sorry. So now here I am giving the one condition like if is set $_get cat id. Okay, which means this get. Yes, this giving the error just because we not closing this. Then what happened? Okay, so then we simply write a query here. So like cat pro, yeah, cat pro $con, then prepare statement. Then here we say select all from products, but where it's cat underscore id equal to this $cat id. Okay, so what we are going to do, we simply fetch all the products in our product table, but which product with category id equal to this id, which means this id number 2. Okay, so okay, also display also check out here where I'm going to refresh it again. Products, okay, structure, just look at here, we have one field cat id, so we are targeting that cat id. So now we are going to execute this query, but before we execute we need to set a fetch mode here. So we say set fetch mode, then PDO fetch assoc. Okay, so now we need to execute this query from here. So we are going to execute it, okay. So now here we are pasting that code which is we are copy here. So give one tab. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are creating one variable row cat. Okay, we change the name and we target this query by Control C and Control V. Oops, what happened here? Control Z. Okay, so Control C, Control V. Okay, so now we change this variable, these all variables, to this variable. Okay, so Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so now again we need one text here. We need the text mandatory here, which is electronic. Okay, let's check first of all here. Come back on our home page. Oops, what happened? What happened here? Going to Opera and check. Okay, what happened here now? Okay, what's the matter is doing here? Cat detail, yes. Just because we don't display this cat detail. Okay, and also we need to set row cat here. Okay, so now also cut it from here and paste it here. Okay, so now I'm going to simply on body left. Oops, we make a mistake here. Yeah, we make a mistake here. I'm going to Control Z, not from here. We are going to source code, and here in body left. So our body left is here. Create one UL. Yes. Also we need to yes, we make a big mistake here. Going to source code, and here we need to close this PHP script. Okay, and after here this script here we write echo. We need to create one div here, echo double quotes, then div id equal to body left, div close here, and inside this div we are going to echo. Oops, we simply going to fetch our function here, which is created by us in here. So Control S, Control V. Oops, what's the problem? Yeah, Control C, Control V. What's the matter, man? Okay, I'm going to write this cat underscore details. Okay, not a details, detail. So I need to close this echo here, then after again start echo from here. So now I'm going to display again, refresh it again. Okay, look at this now. All the information is coming now on our index.php. Now when I click on crockery, okay, just look at here. It's not showing completely just because we need to yeah, we also fetched the style.css perfectly. So why it's not coming? Let's check our body left page. Where is the body left? Okay, we need to check our body left. Yeah, here it is. All are perfect. Cat ID, all are set. Okay, slider is coming. Yeah, we need to close this one from here and paste it from here, just because we don't display all these body left things on our code. So when I click on refresh it, okay, what's the matter? Okay, let's check on our Opera, crockery. Okay, also not coming good. What's the matter, man? What happened here? Cat.php, cat detail. Yeah, okay. Just remove this all from here, just because we don't need it. Now, again, refresh it here. Come back, crockery. Okay, all our products are coming, but the styles is not applied here. So why our style is not applied here? Let's check our function.php. UL, we also create one UL. Okay, not one from here. We also create, oh yeah, just because we need to create here UL tag. Also here UL tag. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh it again. Okay, look at this now. Now it's coming very beautiful and very perfectly. When I click on crockery here, wall clock save doesn't any product, so it's not displaying. So when I click on electronic again I click on crockery. So look at here, it's coming very beautifully. Other category don't have a product, so it's not display anything. So this is about how can we display all the products dynamically by category wise. Also we need to insert here category name. So how can we do that? Just simply coming on function.php. Okay, then here we need to create one we need to create a query for fetching our product name here. So simply we are going to create a query like cat name, then $con, then prepare statement, then double quotes, then select all from main cat, just because our cat our main cat our table name is main cat. So now main cat, but where which cat id equal to this id, cat id, okay, which is fetched by the get here. Now I'm going to $cat name, then set fetch mode, then what's the set fetch mode? PDO fetch underscore sock. Okay, so now cat name, then execute. Okay, so now here we need to create a one variable like cat main cat name. Okay, main cat name equal to $row. Yeah, make a mistake here, we $row equal to we need to target this variable, just because this variable hold this query. So we need to target $cat name, then fetch function. Okay, So now we simply create one variable here like row main cat, okay, equal to $row cat, only $row, just because we use here $row. So now here we need to target our database field name. So our database field name is cat name. Just look at our database, our main cat table. Okay, look at it here, cat underscore name. So we need to target that name here. So now I'm going to echo double quotes, then h3 tag is it's there, okay, h3, then we say double quotes, then concatenate operator, then we say $row, then okay, not a $row, we need to simply target this variable, just because this variable hold our category name. So we need to display this variable directly from here. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh it again, our page. Okay, look at this now, electronics is coming. When I click on crockery, okay, look at this now, crockery is coming, and also its products are coming. So now I'm going to see the detail about this product. So when I click on here, it's also display all the details about that products and also display related products dynamically. So when I click on when I'm going to crockery, okay, when I'm going to electronic, when I click on this product, okay, so it's also display all the products, all the product information, and also display all the product related product of this category. So guys, it is the beauty of PHP, which is we need to write a small code and it's display all the big things. So guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And guys, do practice of your codes, just because practice makes man perfect. PHP is easy only when you do practice of your codes and you solve the error easily. So then PHP is easy for you. Otherwise PHP is very hard for you. So guys, stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.